Because you know, we're celebrating her 50 years, right? And very
family.
hard and milestone and special moment for that 50 years. When was the wedding of our birthday celebrant? Wala ka na ma-attend dito sa kasal ng ating birthday celebrant? Wala? Okay. Ano ang ginawa nila sa honeymoon? Okay.
Oh, ito nga kabi. Ito nga kabi. Hagoy! From HB. Di dapit, dikira di dapit. Di an ipan. Adi luat di dikira di dinding. Pati si husay. Husay. Adi luat di dewa.
Table number 1, please.
Ayan.
So we have table number 1. Take a photo with our birthday celebrant.
Adi di
And we
dikira
have
di
Ate Mary
dinding.
here as our official photographer for
Ano
tonight.
si Sabat?
In video.
Bigyan mo i-Dubai. O, si Rati Marlene. Si Rati Joy.
We also have a photo booth available outside, ladies and gentlemen, for everybody to enjoy. So please take advantage of our photo booth outside. Capture some moments. Table number 1.
Ano pala? Ulit. So dito, really funny.
Thank you so much, Chana. Mamaya Table number 3. Table number 3. Table 4. Konting kayo naman dyan. Yes. Ang saya-saya. Yes. Sino po sa kanila?
Usog, dito.
Sa kanila naman po, the voting CP.
Usog pa, usog pa. Pasirin.
Smile. Parang class picture lang, di ba? Kasama ang kanilang president, yes. Thank you so much. You may go back to your seats. Table number 5. Table number 5, yes. Ang mga Bisaya. Asa sino po pong mga Bisaya dito? Uy, sus, kadagan ka ng Bisaya. Galing! Mga Bisaya, dako. Kasama ng number 1 senador. Bongga ang birthday celebration na to, mga politician ng ano. May mga politician. Table number 6. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa ating mayora.
At Okay. After the 6, ulitin. After the 6, ulitin.
After table number 6, we'll have table number 3.
Compress one. Oh, not after
Table number 3, we're singing a happy
These are
birthday
food.
song. So everybody, can we all sing happy
Pizza.
birthday song? Everybody celebrate in 3, 2, 1,
Bologna.
music.
Kalimutan ko. Mushrooms. Yan. Coffee. Lechon. Hiwa-hiwa na. Bar.